This is the paint.
This isn't paint. These are markers. What are we gonna do with markers? I don't know. Let's pop into the video so we can find out what we need these for. I'm gonna pop into the video with these markers. 1, 2, 3, pop!
Alright, so Harper and Kimmy have each picked out 2 marker colors. I actually took a sheet of cardstock paper and I wrote their names with a permanent marker. Now what they're going to do is they're going to take their Ziploc bags. If your bag has the little logo right here, you're going to put that face down. And you're just going to color blotches of color around where you want the watercolor to be. So go ahead and color, girls. So Harper has finished coloring her bag. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take a little spritz bottle. This was some old detangler that I had that I cleaned out and put water. And you are going to wet the bag. You want to get all the marker wet. Then you are going to flip it over on your image. And you are going to rub, just smear it around. Go ahead and rub, Harper. Rub it off. Don't scratch, rub.
You want to make sure you get it everywhere.
By your H. Slide it over. Slide it. Look, you can push. See, you can push it over if you want.
Don't need to hold it.
Okay.
While I do this.
Then when you're done, you can take your bag,
Peel it off.
peel it off, and then you're just gonna let it dry. If you have any areas where you want to lighten it up again, you can go with a paper towel and you can just kind of dab it. And you can even do another layer of watercolor over this after it dries if you want to darken some areas of it.
Comment down below what color combination do you like the most? What do you think we should do next? Let's just pop out of here because right now we have things to do. Bye!